Hello friends, today we are solving Alice, Bob and Candice. So in this question, one array is given in which the sizes of different candies are given. So there are two contenders. Alice will start first from the left and the Bob will start from the right side. Alice will eat the first candy, like three. Then the condition is that Bob should eat more candies than Alice. If it is not possible, he will eat all the remaining candies. So if you see over here, example is given. Move one, Alice eats one candy of size 3 and the sequence of candies become. Now she ate uh, first candy, so 141592535. So now the previous candy was 3, so Bob should eat one more than it. So Bob eats 5. So now Alice should eat more candies than 5. Then Alice eats 141, sum of 141 it's 6. Then Bob should eat more candies than 6. Then Bob eats 8. Similarly, Alice should eat more than 9. So Alice needs 5 plus 9, 14. Sorry. Bob eats 2 candies with the total size of 3 plus 5, 8, and the sequence of candies become 5, 9, 2, 6. Now, Alice should eat more than 8 candies, so Bob eats 14 candies, 9 plus 5, 14. Similarly, now the sequence becomes 2, 6. Alice ate 14 on the previous move, which means Bob must eat 15 or more. So it's not possible if he will eat all those candies. So the problem is, like, we need to find out uh, the number of moves made, how many candies Alice ate, how many candies Bob ate, and we have to print the output. So let's go to IntelliJ. So I'll first comment it out. uh, this question I did solution to it earlier today only. So we'll write a function called as getMove, which will be returning, which will not return anything. It will be void type, and it will print the count of move. Candies Alice 8, candies Bob 8. So we are passing an array to it, and now we'll start initializing int Alice eats equal to 0, int Bob 8 eats equal to 0. We'll take two pointers. So the thing is, like, we will take two pointer I and j. We'll start incrementing I as Alice eats. We'll start decrementing j as Bob eats. So if I is less than or equal to j, we'll create while loop which will have condition I is less than or equal to j, and that time it will terminate. So int I equal to 0, int j equal to array dot length -1. So we'll take count as well for the number of moves. Now we'll take while loop while I less than or equal to j. The first will be move. Now we will need previous sum as well. We'll initialize it to the 0 at the starting, and we'll need boolean variable for the turn. is Alice turn true, boolean is Bob turn initially it will be Alice turn. So I is less than or equal to j. So it will be either Alice turn or Bob turn. If Alice turn is Alice turn, initially it is Alice turn, will have one sum over here which should be greater than which should be once it becomes less than greater than previous sum plus 1, then we'll terminate. So while sum is less than previous plus 1, so sum plus equal to array of I plus plus, will add this value to the Alice's, will increment I plus plus, will add another condition which is and I should be less than or equal to j over here. So now we'll made is Alice turn false, number of moves plus plus is Bob turn true. So in the next condition Bob will be evaluated. So we'll use the same thing over here as well. Sum is less than previous, so we need to set previous equal to sum, previous equal to sum. So now over here it will be Bob eats it will be j minus minus previous equal to sum. Now is Alice turn will be equal to true and is Bob turn equal to false. Now we have everything, so let's print it out. System.out.println number of moves plus Alice eats plus Bob eats. So over here I have done for input I took scanner. Now if scanner is having next, then I am checking how many test cases are there. For after that I'm fetching all the test cases, then I am taking how many numbers of integers are there, scanner dot next int, then I am creating array for those, and then I am storing that creating that array and calling to the get moves, which will be printing all the elements. Let's run it. We'll take input from over here. So you can see like it is printing all those elements 623 21. It is printing correct only. Like the first section, this was the input, so expected was 6, Alice it's 23 and 21, so it is getting correct answer only. So I submitted this solution as well in the code forces, which was successfully submitted, you can see. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.